You can get started making collars like this really fast. Because of the great response to the hobbyist kit, we thought, why not make a kit that would make it easy for people to start a business with one click. When you buy this manufacturer kit, you get the Handyman, of course. You get the riveter attachment with a cap anvil. You get a self-centering guide with marker up to 1.5 inches. You get a 1-inch round end punch. And you get 200 feet of 1-inch beta standard BioThane. You'll get orange 522 and deep sea blue 523. The kits are pre-made, and so we can't change those colors. If you want other colors, you can just go onto the beta standard page and you can order whatever colors you want. You also get 40 1-inch nickel-plated 162 buckles and 40 1-inch nickel-plated 4520 D-rings. You will get 1,000 5/16 nickel-plated tubular rivets and 1,000 caps. You also get the 2 packs of hang tags. You also get this handy small business dog collar template, and you would cut these out just like with the DIY kit and use this to help you get started making your first collars. Everybody likes to make their own special design. This is made just to help you get started. Some people want to use a single row of rivets. Some people want to use a double row of rivets. Whatever you want to do is up to you. Whatever your customers will buy is what you should be making. At one time, we used to get a lot of calls about how to do certain things with how to set the Handyman, how to do different things with it, and we started making videos. BioThane coated webbing has a tremendous amount of how-to instructional videos that will show you how to use the Handyman, how to set the riveter attachment to the right depth for the size rivets that you have, how to make hundreds of collars. There's a video on how to make thousands of collars. This resource is all available to you, and there are links posted in the description below to these videos to help you get going. You can get started making collars like this really fast. You don't have to be uber talented to make these. If you know someone that likes to make things and loves dogs, these make a great gift idea. I'm Marlin with the Strap Warehouse, and remember, better is possible.